Hi, I would like to welcome you to a new video series around our conversational AI platform, Teneo. My name is Benjamin Kolz and I'm a conversational AI consultant within the Customer Success Department at Artificial Solutions. The series is called Teneo Tube and we're going to present you a number of very interesting topics around our platform Teneo. These will be standalone chapters in which you can learn new ways of using Teneo, how to solve specific problems, and how to do the implementation yourself by going through the chapter and the related materials. We have a selection of topics for both new and already advanced Teneo developers. If you haven't worked yet in Teneo, please find in the description below links to a Teneo free trial environment and very interesting tutorials. The first video will be out very soon, so stay tuned and check out also our Teneo developers community. See you!